To disassemble the outside mirror, first press in the lower edge of the mirror glass. Unclip the upper bulb and remove the mirror glass. Push out the 4 clips on the back. Carefully remove the mirror heater wires. Loosen the 3 Phillips head screws and 3 barbs and take off the mirror frame. Unclip the 3 more bulbs and take off the outer enclosure of the mirror. Take off the trim of the tweeter on the inside of the door. Now, disconnect the speaker wires, then remove the cover visually linking the door and the console. Expose all the wires and pull them upward. Loosen the 3 mounting bolts on the outside mirror. Note, hold the mirror carefully. Now, gently pull out the entire mirror assembly. That's it, you're done.